a baby feather on the ratchet. That's cute. It's probably full of diseases. Hi guys, I'm gonna do an MR2 video for you today because I got some parts to put on it. And check out this wind. Hi bird. If you guys, I know, if you guys don't know about that bird, he appears in like half of my videos. Every time I'm filming, he flies by and he yells at me. Hi bird. Nice to see you too. Silver engine paint. Bird, really? Now you know I got that Fender from the junkyard. That black one right there. That is gonna require a ton of work. Oh my god. But check this out. Let's open her up and take a look. See, this box is huge, but it only weighs like 5 pounds. It's really light. Oh, I can use the foam to kneel on. It's so much better kneeling on this foam. Dude, it's perfect. I'm so happy. So thank you, James, for sending me this Fender. That was so sweet. You just saved me a ton of work. Time to take this Fender off. I haven't looked up how to do this. I'm literally just gonna wing it as I go along. It shouldn't be that difficult to take a Fender off. I would hope not, at least. All right, get this Namba Jamba taken off. Sparkling water is so good. It's like, it quenches your thirst and it's like a party in your mouth. I mean that in a non-perverted way. I do. First up, I have some Phillips screws down here on the bottom, kind of where I think this car probably had an option for mud flaps, but there's this little plastic trim piece. I'm gonna pop that off first and then take a look at the inner fender liner, which is not looking too good. Kind of looks like bacon. Should be able to just pop it right out. These 12s or 10s? These are 10s. Take these guys off. Ooh, I think that was all it's holding it in the rear. I like it when my rear is held. Is it 100 yet? I think it's gotta be. Da-da-da, 100. Okay. No excuses. Gotta get this done. Doesn't matter how hot it is. This is a 10mm. They're endangered species. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna take this Fender off now. I'm sorry. Ooh, my feet are in the sun. They're cooking. Oh my god, that's so hot. What is holding that on there? Ow! Oh god, that one's tight. There we go. I'm gonna try to put these headlights up manually so I can gain access to this front inside the bumper cover. So in case you own a Toyota MR2, which I don't think very many of you own MR2s, it's kind of a rare car. Right down here, here is your headlight adjustment knob. So you pull that cap off and then turn this guy. I'll keep turning it. Keep going. Almost. Cool. The MR2 looks like a Karopi frog. He's so cute. I almost want to just leave him up all the time, but I won't do that. So hopefully now with this guy out of the way, I can gain access to these two front 10mm bolts. Oh no. Actually, I'm gonna take a break because my camera, the hot warning light is on my camera because it's 100 degrees outside, so it's overheating trying to film. 5 minutes later, actually it's been about 20. Come on. Oh, come on. Get on there. If I take off this marker lens, I can gain access, maybe. There's like a little knob on the inside of the fender, like a little notch, and it hits right where the extension is going through. I really wish I had faster progression on this project car for you guys. I know it's kind of frustrating to watch it take so long on YouTube for project cars to get finished, but I'm doing the best I can with what I have. It's what everyone else has to do, you know, renting on cars if you don't have a shop. But to be able to push out videos and knock out projects fast for the internet, it's an extra complexity. This last bolt, so I can show you up inside. Oh, you can't even remotely see on camera where it's at. It's way up inside there. It's a baby feather on the ratchet. That's cute. It's probably full of diseases. All right, let's see if I can get this guy with the ratchet. Ouch. Yay, that was it. Whew. I got it. I'm gonna set you on the tripod because I think this fender is ready to come off. Wow, I just got lightheaded. Got super lightheaded. Where's my cup of water? Just FYI, I hate this camera angle. I don't like having the camera facing up at me. It's weird. There we go. Where's this wire? Oh, I already disconnected it. Good. Ta-da! Yay! You Fender. Oh yeah, it's considerably lighter. Way lighter. It's alright though. Alright. To reinstall Fender, just reverse the removal instructions. Alright, that was really lame. Engage time lapse. I guess I can shut the hood now. I am going to actually wash this thing off. I'm gonna do it touch-free with the foam cannon.
A few moments later.
Looks so good. Can't wait till this car is done and driving. That fender does not match. It's all right, it'll get painted. And I'm missing this thing. Huge bummer. I thought I had this piece, but I guess I don't. That kind of sucks, so I gotta find one of these. Morning, peoples. I just time warped on you a little bit. It's now the next day, but I'm gonna go back and work on the MR2 just a little bit more in this video, so that way it's more than just me working on a fender and complaining about how hot it is outside. Luckily, I'm going to remedy that problem today and get myself some fresh tea.
Welcome to Dunkin' Donuts. Would you like to try one of our cosmic coladas today?
Kind of.
They're pretty good.
Thank you. Oh man, a cosmic colada? Shut the front door. This is gonna be good. This looks crazy. Ooh, and it tastes crazy. I got some brake clean so I can clean up the turbo before I put any paint on it. I don't want to have any gunk left on the surface of the turbo. So I know that the brake clean flashes off and doesn't leave residue. So it'll make it a nice clean surface to paint. I wasn't able to get a gasket for this turbo, but that's okay because I'm just gonna paint it today anyway. So I'm gonna use the brake clean, the wire brush. I'm gonna get the exterior surfaces of the turbo cleaned up as best as possible. I'm not really trying to do a high-end paint job on this thing. I'm just trying to make it look a little bit better considering this thing's gonna be stuffed in an engine bay and a mid-engine car and you're not really gonna see the turbo. Try to make it look a little bit better. And then the compressor housing, I'm either just gonna clean it up with the wire wheel or I might shoot it with a coat of the silver paint I used on the valve cover on the engine as well. $97, almost 100, getting there. Not too bad, right? I cleaned up the compressor housing with the wire brush, and then I just cleaned up this, I think it's cadmium plated, the wastegate actuator. So I just cleaned that up with some general purpose cleaner. The bracket right here for the oil lines is kind of rusty, but you won't see it anyway. So I just wire brushed that, and then the exhaust side of the turbo is painted with the same high heat paint as the exhaust manifold. So now I'm gonna clean up this stuff and head out of here so I can edit this video for you guys. With the exception of the AC compressor and an exhaust, I have everything now to put this engine back in the car and have it run. Well, in the gasket I ordered for the turbo today. But I'm gonna do that all in the installation video of the engine. So no more a million progress updates on the MR2. I just wanna get this engine in the car and start driving it. You like that? Magic, I'm at my house already. I'm so corny. I've been trying to do different filming and editing for these videos. I've been trying to be more compact with my shots and have my shots kind of end and then the next shot take off where the last one ended more smoothly to help me with editing. I have more and more to do now and less time to do it. So I need to be more efficient. Oh my God. The most annoying beeping noise. I'm also looking at buying a MacBook Pro and switching over to Final Cut Pro for editing, which is totally gonna wipe out everything I've saved for the past like 6 months of YouTubing. But it's reinvesting it back into what I am doing for a living now, which is providing you guys content. So I feel it will be worth it and it'll pay off in the long run, but it really does suck because it was pretty much all of my savings. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna do it. I'm waiting till the 18 MacBook Pros come out in hopefully a couple weeks, and then I'll figure out if I'm gonna buy a 17 model or an 18 model. But yeah, I'm gonna go edit this video for you guys and have a sandwich because I'm hungry. So I will see you guys soon with another video. Bye.